Hello grammar enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel E-Club, where we delve into the intricacies of the English language. Today, we are going to unravel the mysteries of collective nouns and abstract nouns. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of these concepts and how to use them effectively in your writing. So, let's get started. Let's start with collective nouns. Collective noun refers to groups of people, animals, or things. Collective nouns are singular in form but represent multiple individuals or things acting as a single unit. They help us avoid repetition in our writing and add clarity to our communication. Let's look at a few examples. A herd of cattle grazed in the pasture. The team celebrated their victory with cheers and high fives. A flock of birds flew across the sky. The jury delivered its verdict. The audience erupted in applause at the end of the performance. Now, once you've read these examples, you will find it much easier to recognize collective nouns when you see them. Let's look at a few more examples of collective nouns. Our class took a field trip to Natural History Museum. The herd of bison ran across the prairie, leaving a massive dust cloud in its wake. We waited anxiously for the jury to come to a verdict. This year's basketball team includes 3 players who are over 6 feet tall. Napoleon's army was finally defeated at Waterloo. The town council has approved plans to create a new park. He comes from a huge family. He is the oldest of 11 kids. The rock group has been on tour for months. Everyone in the audience applauded loudly when Elvis appeared on stage. Now, here are a few more examples of collective nouns you should be aware of. Let's learn them. First one is flock. A group of birds, also used to discuss small hooved animals such as sheep or goats. The next word is swarm, a group of insects. Shoal, a group of fish. The next word is crowd, usually used to describe a group of people. Gang, usually used to describe a group of criminals, also used to describe a group of workers, particularly sailors or dock workers. Mob, normally used to describe an angry or unruly group of people, also used to describe a group of kangaroos. The next collective noun is staff, a group of people who work in the same place. Crew, usually used to denote a group of workers, also used to describe aircraft and ship personnel. Choir, a large organized group of singers. Now, try to use these words in sentences of your own. Let's move on to abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns refer to ideas, qualities, or states that cannot be perceived through the 5 senses. Abstract nouns represent concepts or feelings that exist in the mind but cannot be touched, seen, heard, tasted, or smelt. They help us express intangible aspects of the human experience and add depth to our writing. Well, let's look at a few examples. Love is a powerful emotion that transcends boundaries. Honesty is essential for building trust in any relationship. Freedom is a fundamental human right. Happiness comes from within and is not dependent on external factors. Courage is facing your fears and taking action despite them. Now, in these examples, love, honesty, freedom, happiness, and courage represent feelings and emotions that do not have a physical form. In the next couple of slides, we have a few exercises for you on collective and abstract nouns. In this exercise, identify the collective noun. Please pause the video and then check your solution once you have attempted the questions. The correct answer is highlighted in bold. Please fill in the blanks with the right abstract noun. The hint is provided in brackets. Please pause the video, attempt these questions, and then validate your responses. Select the correct answer from the options that follow the sentence. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more engaging content. See you in the next video.